show do now?
Shoot time.
We're doing video and photos. I'm not doing video and photos. This man paid somebody to film his car, so yeah, another morning in Gatlinburg. Should be fun. Who decided to show back up from their shoot?
Boy, we got the heat.
Woo! You got on the bridge?
No, better.
You got better than the bridge?
Better than the bridge.
Oh God, I gotta see this.
Underneath the old ski lifts.
Only Honda Media, follow him.
You'll be disappointed, but yeah, follow me.
Yeah.
Because I'm desperate.
What in tarnation? I should make an entire video with the reactions to it. Locals' reactions to cars in Gatlinburg. That should be the title of this video. Probably won't be, but it would be funny.
That's gonna be wicked to see them together. Yeah, yeah. I mean, they're the. For sure. Yeah. It's at the convention. Yep. Appreciate that. Is that right? Yeah, it's right. Yeah, the whole car's right. I appreciate it. What we got going on?
So we're here with well, his head's in the way. Lee Media is back there getting like some footage. He's starting to shoot right now. I'll let him shout himself out. But yeah, we're here. This thing is looking shoot. I need to steal some footage while I'm sitting here. This thing looks good on camera. Ooh-wee. But yeah, shoot started. He's got a pretty dope setup. And I've seen his stuff. It's actually really good. Just telling me, apparently this dude is only 18 years old. I mean, just graduated high school and is already out here grinding the way he is. Bro, when I was 18, dude, I hadn't even been out of state by myself yet, and he's out here making money, filming cars, already way better than I ever did. So that's incredible, dude. Props to him. I'm gonna shout him out for sure and let him tell you where you can find all this stuff at, because I respect the crap out of this kid. Alright, so new development. I'm driving for the rollers. I'm gonna have more people in my car than I've ever had before, like 3, which is saying something. So yeah, I wish I had my suction cup mount so I could film it, but I don't have that. So yeah, but we'll make it work some kind of way. Well, before we go, you gotta shout out all your stuff. Yeah, I know it's awkward. It's awkward for me too. I'm not used to it. No, you're good.
Totally ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. Go ahead.
Right. So, he just got done filming some BTS for my film that I'm coming out with. So, my YouTube is Lee Media, Instagram's lee.media. So, I appreciate him. He drove me around for the rollers. So, I'm gonna send him some of the footage and photos from what I captured so you guys can see kind of what I got from his perspective and his BTS. So, appreciate it, everybody. Thank you guys, and hope it works.
Yes. I guess I am throwing some B-roll of his stuff in my video then. This is legit the most car stuff I've ever done in like the span of 2 days, hands down. This is our
Still got 2 days left.
third meet in 2 days. Third meet. This is the third one. I didn't film much of the last one, but this is like the big Vated mod meet. So we haven't even gotten to the show yet, and I'm already like, I'm like darn near about to be sick of cars. Look how many cars there are. It's crazy. That meet was sick, obviously, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that footage that I got out of there. I mean, it wasn't a whole lot, I don't think, but you know, I hope I kind of grasped, you know, kind of the quality of cars out there just a little bit. But now I'm gonna go see a movie. Probably gonna go see the Joker, and I will let you guys know how that is when I get back. Gas. So yeah, Joker was like a solid 8.5, maybe 9 out of 10.
Really?
Yep.
All right.
It was deep, but boy, I was impressed. Completely blew out my expectations. So yeah, definitely go see that movie. So once again, back at the hotel in the video, everybody's kind of pooped. It's been a long, successful day for the most part. And I got to unload footage again because I filmed a lot, I think. And alright, I didn't edit any last night, but for sure I'm at least going to start editing something this time, so it won't be, you know, 6 months until you guys see this, which is what it's looking like right now. So yeah, I'm gonna hop on that. Like and subscribe, follow him on IG. This is his last show, but I just realized I ain't told nobody on YouTube.
Oh gosh.
This man is getting out of the game.
Done.
Selling the Civic after this. He's keeping the wheels. Obviously, he's getting another cool car, but he's not doing any more shows. No more nothing. He's just gonna be a regular person.
Rest in peace to Bagged and Carbon.
Yeah. It's a wrap. So we're making the most out of this weekend while we still can. But like and subscribe. He's getting his car shot tomorrow, so I'll probably be there for that, and I'll get as much footage as I can before it's over with, because like, man, my car friends are just dropping like flies, dude. You're leaving, Damon's been gone, just like nobody else. But you know, make the most of the time we got. Yeah, alright, I gotta stop rambling. Like and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow.